We got the new LMT Roller here. I'm doing an unboxing and a little size comparison with the SMT10. Let's get to open that. Looks like we got manual book, some body post, battery strap. These giant tires on it. These are huge. The exhaust. Guy going down in it. Cage flips up. Nice little battery strap. Got a little fuel tank. It's pretty cool exhaust. These massive tires. Cool shocks. I'm gonna do a little size comparison to the LMT or SMT. You see the tires are massive on the LMT compared to the SMT. The LMT is a little bit taller. Definitely a sweet truck. Can't wait to get it put together. Got a Sidewinder 4 with a 2200 kV motor, which I might end up upgrading the Sidewinder 4 to a Monster or a Mamba Monster X. But we'll see how the Sidewinder 4 goes. And I'll probably get a son of a digger body. Got some plans with the decals and stuff, but be for later videos. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Team DRC.